Hello! Today I just wanted to do a little test about what is the top speed when changing the power assist levels. Now you can set them to 3 power assists, 5 power assists or 9. 5 is the default. I want to see what the difference in top speed is. Now I'm not running a full battery, it's close to, so might not get a totally accurate number, but it should still show the differences. At the moment we're in 3 power assists. Doesn't go any higher than that. We've set it to 3. So let's just see what the top speed. This is unladen, by the way, so you're not going to get this when you're riding it, but it should still show a comparison. So let's just see. Okay, 27.1. Like I said, the battery's not full, so it may go a little bit higher than that. I'm not sure on that, but let's change it to the default 5 power assist by going into the settings, scrolling to 05, and at the bottom here where it's 00, we'll set it to 1. Turn off the controller, turn it back on again to input the settings, and we should have 5 power assists. Let's see the top speed in that. .8, so it is less. It is less. Let's change it to 9 power assists. Scroll to 05, then change this to 2. Wait for the display to go back and turn it off, turn it back on again to input the setting, and we can see we've got 9 power assists. Let's see what the top speed of that one is. Okay, 27. That's giving us the same top speed as the 3 power assists, and yet the default 5 power assists is a few miles an hour less, isn't it, at 25. Now, like I say, I'm not convinced yet that this changing the power assist from 3, 5 or 9, I'm not convinced that it's not fooling the display somewhat. It might be reading the motor incorrectly. So the only way really to confirm that is to use a GPS on the mobile phone. Then I can put the GPS of the actual speed here, which we can then compare to the three different power assists. I just have a feeling that it's not giving the correct reading when you put it in power assist with 3 or 9, because 5 is the default and I believe that is the correct speed. But we'll just have to see. That will be a further video to test it in real road conditions. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.